Hi friends, today this is my fifth class on the chapter the triangle and its properties. Today I am discussing some questions of exercise 6.4 of the textbook. Here you have a triangle PQR. Let M is the midpoint of side QR. Now let me join PM. What the line segment PM is called? Yes, it is called median. That is median, the line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side is called median. This you already learned in class 1, first class of this chapter. Since M is the midpoint, this QM plus MR, QM and MR are equal. And in the last class you studied in a triangle PQR, if you add any two sides, that is PQ plus QR, it will be greater than PR. So we can write PQ plus QR greater than PR, or QR plus PR greater than PQ, or PR plus PQ greater than QR. This and all you studied in the last class. Now look at the question. Here AM is the median of triangle ABC. You have to check AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM. First consider the triangle ABM. Since sum of the length of any two sides is greater than the third side, you can write AB plus BM greater than AM. Since the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side, in triangle ABM you can write AB plus BM greater than AM. Let me take this as equation number 1. Now let me take the triangle ACM. Similarly, how can you write the inequality? That is, take side AC and CM. Then how will you write? You can write as in triangle ACM, AC plus CM greater than AM, the third side. This we can take it as equation number 2. Now add equation 1 and 2. How will you add equation 1 and 2? First you have to add left hand side first, then add the right hand side. So we can write, adding 1 and 2 we get left hand side is AB plus BM plus AC plus CM greater than AM plus AM, the right hand side. Let me rearrange this by taking BM and CM together. Then what will you get? That is AB plus BM plus CM plus CA greater than AM plus AM. Now look at the figure. What is BM plus CM? BM plus CM, it is equal to BC, and AM plus AM you can write it as 2AM. So we get AB plus BM plus CM, you can write it as BC, plus CA. AC you can write it as CA also. Greater than AM plus AM 2AM. Hence, it is true that AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2A. Now look at the next question. The fourth question is ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? Here sides are AB, CD, AB, BC, CD, AD. So these sides contain a triangle first you find out. Now consider the triangle ABC. If you get one triangle, you can apply sum of the length of two sides is greater than the third side. So we can write, since the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side, in triangle ABC you can write AB plus BC greater than AC. Similarly, you can find out one more triangle with the side AB. Take sum of AB and DA. How will you write this inequality? In triangle ABD, AB plus DA greater than the third side BD. Now, let me take a triangle with the side BC. Sorry, the triangle with the side DC you take. Two triangles in the same way you can take. Let me first take triangle DCB. Then how will you write this inequality? In triangle DCB you can write CD plus BC greater than BD. Now let me consider another triangle DCA. Then how will you write this property? In triangle DCA, CD plus DA greater than AC. Now take this as equation 1, this as equation 2, this as equation 3 and this as equation 4. Now as in the previous problem, add all the equations. First you add all LHS, then add all RHS. So we can write, adding 1, 2, 3 and 4 we get, adding all LHS you will get AB plus BC plus AB plus DA plus CD plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD plus BD plus AC. Now as in the previous case, rearrange it. You can find two ABs, two BCs, two CDs and two DS here in the LHS. So we can write, here we can write AB plus AB, then BC plus BC, then CD plus CD here, then DA plus DA. Now LHS all terms over, greater than here AC plus AC and plus BD plus BD. RHS also over. AB plus AB you can write it as 2AB. Similarly, here it is 2BC, 2CD, 2DA greater than 2AC plus 2BD. Here 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CD plus 2DA. You can take 2S common. Here also 2AC plus 2BD. You can take 2 as common. This we can write 2 into AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than 2 into AC plus BD. Now in both sides 2 are there. Divide both sides by 2, you get AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. So here also, hence we can write it is true. Now we have question number 5. The question is ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than 2AC plus BD? Let me draw the figure. Here ABCD is the quadrilateral. Let the diagonals AC and BD intersecting at O. You have to show AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than 2 into AC plus BD. You know 2 plus 3, that is 5, greater than 4. The same statement we can rewrite as 4 less than 2 plus 3. Now look at the figure. Consider triangle AOB. Here you can take in triangle ABO, OA plus OB greater than AB, or we can write AB less than AO plus OB. Now consider the triangle OCB or BCO with the side BC. In triangle BCO, OC plus OB greater than BC you can write, or BC less than OC plus OB. You can write in triangle BCO, BC less than OC plus OB. Now consider triangle CDU. How will you write it? You can write CD less than OD plus OC. That is in triangle CDO, CD less than OC plus OD. Now let me consider the other. Consider the triangle DAO. You can write in triangle DAO, DA less than OD plus OA. This 4 we can write it as equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now as in the previous case, add all these equations. Adding 1, 2, 3 and 4 we get. You add LHS, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than, add AO plus OB plus OC plus OB plus OC plus OD plus OD plus OA. Now here you can see 2 AO, that you can AO and OA both are equal, that you can taken together and write. Similarly 2 OB and 2 OC. So we can write AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than AO plus OA plus OB plus OB plus OC plus OC plus OD plus OD. Now AO plus OA you can write 2 AO. Similarly this is 2 OB. So we will get AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than 2 AO plus 2 OB plus 2 OC plus 2 OD. Now 2 you can take together, and AO plus OC again you take together. So you can get AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than 2 AO plus 2 OC, that you can write as 2 into AO plus OC. Similarly 2 OB plus 2 OD you can write 2 into OB plus OD. Now look at the figure. What is AO plus OC? AO plus OC, that you can write it as AC. Similarly, what is OB plus OD? OB plus OD, you can write it as BD. So this we can write it as AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than 2AC plus 2BD. Again, this you can write it as AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than 2 common, you take it, AC plus BD. That is what we have to show. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than 2AC plus 2BD. So we can write, hence it is true. Now do write it down. Now let us go to the last problem. Here I took two line segment, AB 6 centimeter, AC 8 centimeter, or 6 unit and 8 units. Now to form a triangle, I have to join BC. So let me join BC. Then the length of BC will be 6 unit. Now what is the maximum length of BC? Now here it can be 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. But in 14 it can be a straight line. That means it will not form a triangle if you are taking 8 plus 6, that is 14. Sum of the other two sides. Sum of the other two sides always greater than the third side. Here the third side is 14. So it cannot be. So it should be 13 onwards you will get a triangle. Now minimum you take, if it is here, this is the length 2, then it will become a line. It cannot be a triangle. That means 8 minus 6, 2. It should be greater than 2. Then you will get, if it is 2, it cannot be a triangle. Just greater than 2, it forms a triangle. But, and similarly here also, if sum is 14, you will not get a triangle. That is 8 plus 6, 14. It should be less than the sum of the other two sides. So you can say the triangle, the third side will be between 14 and 2, or otherwise you can say it is less than 14 and greater than 2. Then only you will get a triangle. Now look at the question. The length of two sides of a triangle are 12 cm and 15 cm. Between what two measures should the length of the third side fall? You know, it should be more than 15 minus 12 and less than 15 plus 12. So you can write the third side should be less than 12 plus 15, that is 27 centimeter, and the third side has to be more than 15 minus 12, that is 3 centimeter. So we can conclude the length of the third side could be more than 3 centimeter and less than 27 centimeter. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.